If you are wondering what kind of power adapter you should get for Xiaomi 17T, then the answer is quite simple. If you're looking for the most optimized power adapter for Xiaomi 17T, the one that is going to work the best for this phone, then the answer is probably original Xiaomi power adapter that has 67 watts or more. The reason why you want to get specifically Xiaomi's power adapter is because they include the hypercharge technology. This is Xiaomi's their own genuine technology. I suppose it is actually genuine. And it allows the phone to charge the battery using 67 watts. And the reason why I'm saying 67 watts is because the phone can charge the battery using 67 watts at most. Of course, you can get a power adapter that has more than that, let's say 80 or 90 or even 100 watts. As long as it has hypercharge, it should be able to work just fine with this phone. But of course, if you already have a power adapter with 67 watts with hypercharge, then of course it's going to provide the fastest charging speed possible for this phone specifically. If you get a faster one, the charging speed will be pretty much the same compared to the one that has 67 watts. But it's of course up to you if you want to get specifically 67 watts or if you want to get a stronger one, a faster one. Now, if you happen to get a power adapter made by Xiaomi that has less than 67 watts, it is still fine. You can still use it in order to charge Xiaomi 17T, but you will probably notice that the charging speed is not as fast as probably it should be. So this is why you probably want to get 67 or more. Now, besides that, of course, you can also get a power adapter that is made by another brand. So for example, you can get a power adapter made by Samsung, by Motorola, by Google, Oppo, OnePlus, and so on and so forth. These brands, of course, they make their power adapters as well, but you might not be able to actually use 67 watts in order to charge them. Even if you have a power adapter that has, let's say, 100 or 120 watts, the phone might be able to use, let's say, only 50 watts instead of 67, as it is with the hypercharge technology, simply because the compatibility is limited to 50 watts for PPS chargers. So if you have a PPS compatible adapter, then the phone can use only 50 watts at most in order to charge the battery. Hence why it is still better to get a Xiaomi's power adapter, unless you find another power adapter that is not made by Xiaomi but it has hypercharge, which is probably hard to find, to be honest. But still, it is possible. For example, I use Realme's SuperVOOC 120 watts power adapter, but of course it is not hypercharged, so instead of using 67 watts, the phone uses 50 watts, and unfortunately, it is slower. Even though it has the power adapter that I use has 120 watts, it is actually slower than 67 watts Xiaomi's power adapter. So this is something that you can keep in mind. But still, if you don't want to use Xiaomi's power adapter, just get any other well-known brand and it is going to work as well. They work too. You can use them in order to charge your phone. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I would avoid using knockoffs or brands that are not so popular. Just because it is just better to always make sure that you are using a brand that is somewhat popular, that it is known for example, making power adapters, or you know, they make smartphones as well, so they make power adapters for their smartphones, so you can be certain that they are pretty solid probably. And I think that's all. Leave a like and subscribe.